So, the development of astronomy has been a long and winding road, spanning thousands of years and involving the contribution of many cultures and scientists. So, here is a detailed overview. And when we are talking about the ancient civilizations, in 3002 BCE and 500 CE, having the Mesopotamia and recorded the celestial events developed the lunar calendar. Ancient Egypt is identified on constellations development having Deccan's 36 stars groups, and Babylon's is developed by the zodiacs and predicted lunar eclipse. Ancient Greece is the Thales predicted solar eclipse. Architectures is having the proposed heliocentric models, and Hipparchus is develops economics of the solstices and the length of the solar year. Ptolemy is the development of heuristics models, wrote Agamalist. So Middle Age in 500 to 1500 CE, Islamic Golden Age, AI, Brahmani is measured Earth circumstances and developed trigonometry. Yunus is accurate measurements of planetary orbits, and Ibn Sina is Ventia wrote on the astronomy, optics, and the mathematics. European resilience, Copernicus proposed heliocentric models. 1543. Tycho Brahe is the accurate observations developed by tectonic systems. Johannes Cleppers is the discovered planetary laws, which is 1609. Telescopic era, which is 1500 to 1800 CE. Galileo Galilei is the first to observe the sky with a telescope, which is in 1609. Callistrane's Hyginus, which is discovered by Saturn's rings and Titan. It is on 1655. Isaac Newton's is developed the law of motions, universals, and gravitationals in 1687. Williams Herschel's is developed and discovered Uranus infrared the radiations in 1781. In modern astronomy in 1800 to 2000 CE, spectrography is developed to the study of credentials, objectives, and compositions motions, and having the space exploration Sputnik 1, which first aircraft satellite in 1957, moon landing Apollo 11 in 1969. Radio astronomy is Carl Junsky discovered ratio waves from Milky Way in 1931. Fueller's, Crosser's, dark matters discovered, computational astronomy, simulations, data analysis, and visualizations, having the complementary astronomy, and having the 2000 CE presented by exoplanets, Hunt rings, and which having the dark energy and having dark matter research, gravitational wave detections, astrobiology, search for extraterrestrials life, next generations telescope and space missions. So this is the condensed of the version of the development of astronomy. So there are many more contributions and discoveries that have shaped our undertaking and understanding of the universe. So the development of the astronomy in ancient India was a significant achievements with the contributions spanning several centuries. So here are some key highlights which I'm just going to discuss with you all. So Vedagna Jyotisha is the ancient texts that from 500 BC is in the one earliest known astronomical treatise and covering topics like crystals, bodies, lunar and solar eclipse and planetary motions. Aryabhat in 476 CE, this re-owned astronomer and mathematicians proposed the heliocentric model and where the sun is the center and accurately calculated planetary orbits, lunar and solar eclipse and the length of the solar year. Brahmaputra is 628 CE. His book Brahmaputra Siddhant represented astronomical theories, including the concept of gravity, and introduced the decimal system and negative numbers. Bhaskar II is 1114 CE. So this mathematicians and astronomers wrote Siddhanta Shrimani, which discovered topics like planetary motions, lunar and solar eclipse, and astronomical instruments. So astronomical observations have the ancient India has observations like one at Ujjain, which was a hub for astronomical research and observations. planetary systems, which has ancient Indian astronomers identified planets like Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn's like and develop the theories about their orbits and motions. Comets and meteors, which have recorded the observation of the comets and meteors and developing and demonstrating an understanding of celestial phenomena. So these contributions, the significant advancement made in the astronomy by ancient Indian scholars and laying the foundation for later astronomical discoveries. So in the Middle Age, I discussed see what is the Middle Ages. The Middle Ages saw the significant development in the astronomy, building upon the ancient Greeks and the Roman knowledge. So here are some key points and contributions from the Middle Ages, which is Islamic Golden Age is 8 to 13th century. Al-Burani is the measure the Earth circumferences developed by trigonometry. Ilm Yunus is accurate measurement of planetary orbits. Ibn Sina is wrote and astronomy, opticals, and mathematics. Averroes is Ibn Rushd is the commentaries on the asteroids. Works include influencing later astronomers. European resilience is in 14 to 15 century. Thomas Brunvard and having developed the model of planetary motions. John Duns Scott wrote on the nature of the universe and the motion of the clusters bodies. So Nicholas and of Q's have proposed heliocentric models, later influencing Corpus, and notable astronomers are the grade of Chronomia, which is translated Arabic astronomic works into Latin, and Robert Grosseteste is the wrote on optics, astronomy, and the nature of the universe. Roger Bacon has advocated the empirical observation and experimentation in astronomy. So astronomical tables and observations having the Toledo tables, accurate the astronomical tables compiled by the Al-Jakhrail is in 11th century, and Alphonsus tables and tables which is developed under Alfonso X Castells, which is in 13th century. Observations of celestial events such as comets, eclipses were recorded and studied. So instruments and the observations of the astrobills developed for the navigation and astronomical observations. Quadrant is used for measuring the celestial altitudes. Observation is built in the cities like Tonaldos, Plains, and Hagre, Persia, modern day Iran. So influence of illustrations and polymetrics theories having shaped understanding of the universe and the clusters motions, and the polymetric geometrics models remains the dominant but face challenges from the alternative theories. So these contributions demonstrate the significant progress made in astronomy during the Middle Ages, laying the groundwork for the scientific revolutions of the Renaissance. So what do you mean by telescopic era? See, in telescopic era, which spanned from the early 17th to late 19th century, was a period of significant astronomical discovery and explorations. So here are some key events and the figures of the era. See, in early telescopes in 1608 to 1643, hence Lippershey and the Jacques Jensens applied for the patent for the first refracting telescope, which is 1608, and Galileo Galilei is built his own telescope, observed the moon, planet, and stars, which is in 600, 1609. So Johannes Kepler is used telescopes to study planetary motions and develop his laws of planetary motions like 1610, and major discoveries is 1643 to 1727. Christian Huygens discovered Saturn rings and Titans is having the 1655. Giovanni Cassini discovered the four moons of Saturn and gap in Saturn rings. So 1675, Isaac Newton developed the law of motions and universal gravitation explained by the Kepler's law in 1687. Edmund Halley is predicted the return of Halley's comets in 1758. and reflecting telescopes in 1027 to 1850. So Isaac Newton's built the first practical reflecting telescope, which is 1727. William Herschel is built larger reflecting telescopes, which is discovered Uranus and the infrared radiations by 1781. Lord Rosse is built the largest telescope of the era and discovered the spiral galaxies, which is 1845. So astronomical photography is 1850 to 1900. Williams Bond and John Adams took the first astronomical photograph, which is in 1850, and Warren Darrella develops the wet condense and progress for astronomical photography in 1853. So ESO means European Southern Observatory, founded in 1962, led to numerous astronomical discoveries. So this era saw significant advancement in telescopes technologies, leading to the numerous groundbreaking discoveries that transformed our understanding of the universe. So what is the meaning of modern astronomy? See, in modern astronomy is a vibrant field that has made tremendous progress in the recent year. Some of the key areas of research and discovery in modern astronomy include exoplanets. See, exoplanets are the over 5,000 exoplanets have been discovered so far, and the search for life beyond Earth is an active area of research. Cosmology is the study of the universe, origins, evolutions, and fate continues to advance with a focus on dark matters, dark energy, and the cosmic microwaves background. Astrobiology is the search for life in our solar systems and beyond, including the study of the comets, asteroids, and the origin of life on Earth. Gravitational waves is the detections of gravitational waves by LIGO, which is LIGO, and WIGRO have opened a new window into the universe, allowing us to study cosmic events in way preciously impossible. Space missions, ongoing and future missions such as James Webb Space Telescope, the Square Kilometre Array, and the Europa Clipper promise to revolutionize the understanding of the universe. Computational physics see advance in the computing power and algorithms enables simulations of complex astrophysical phenomena from star formulation to galaxy evolutions. And astrometry and the astrodynamics precise measurements of celestial positions, motions, and orbit continue to refine our understanding of our solar system and the universe. So, stellar astrophysics is the study of stars. There is a cycle and there is a role shaping the universe, remain a vital area of research. Galaxy evolution is the study of galaxy formations, evolution, and interaction continues to reveal the complex history of universe. So, what is the current studies going on? Here are some of the latest developments and the research in astronomy, which having in the high school students discover exoplanets, and a group of high school students confirm the existence of the Saturn-sized exoplanets. So, China changed 6 returns with moon samples with the change. 6 missions returned with the sample for the far side of the moon. Water frost discovered. See, in scientists discovered water frost on the tallest volcanoes in the solar systems and having the black hole at the center of the Omega Centauri, which scientists confirmed that the existence of a black hole at the center of the Omega Centauri cluster. Webb telescope's new image. The Webb telescopes captured the image of the baby stars and the temperature of the planet, which is LHS 1140p. So, what is the use for of chemistry for current practices? See, in this alchemist pursuits, and before starting this, I just want to discuss about the chemistry has been employed in current practices for centuries, with the alchemists seeking to transform base metal into the gold and discover the philosopher's stones. So modern alchemists have adapted these principles to create auxiliaries positions, timeless and leveraging chemical properties to manifest spirituals and materials goals. So plant and minerals magic utilize chemicals composition to conjure and desired outcomes with realistic and ritualistic use of chemical facilitates purifications, protections, and divinations. Astrological influences are often considered aligning the chemical processes with the celestial bodies, illustrates symbols, and is applied to chemical symbols with having the processes and coding mystical concept while not recognizing the mainstream science or altruisms. So these practices represent a fascinating intersection of chemistry and spirituality. So what do you mean by alchemist pursuits? So alchemist pursuits involve the use of chemistry and chemical processes to achieve spiritual, philosophical, and transformational goals. So, a chemist aims to transform base metal into gold, discover the philosopher's stone, and create the exiler of life. So, these pursuits are rooted in the hermetic principles and symbolism, seeking to balance opposites, unite masculine and feminine principles, and attain spiritual alignments. So, what do you mean by hermeneutic principles? These are the having the an spiritual concept based on the teachings on the ancient Greek philosopher Hermes. These principles are the central of alchemy, theosophies, and various astrologic traditions. So, key Hamtrix principles, which includes the utility of unity of all things, which is Muslims, and everything is interconnected and the part of larger whole. The principle of correspondence as above as so below. So macronyms and the macronyms mirror each other. The principle of vibrance, vibrations, resonance, everything vibrates at different frequencies. The principle of planetary duality, opposites are the complementary and inserables. The principle of rhythm cycles, like everything moves in a cycle and rhythmics. The principle of cause and effect, which is karma, everything action has consequences. The principle of gender, which is masculine and feminine, both principles are necessary for creations. The principle of mentalisms, which is mind over matter, which is mind influences matter, and having these principles aims to explain the nature of the universe, the interconnectedness of all the things, and potential for the spiritual growth and transformations. So I'm just talking about the plants and minerals magic. So plants and mineral magics involves using the chemical properties and essence of plants and minerals to achieve spiritual, medicinal, and magical goals. So this practice is rooted in alchemy, herbalisms, and Asian cultures belief. So some aspect of plants and minerals magic influence the herbal using plants for healing and protection and spiritual growth. So essential oil is harnessing plants essence for magical and spiritual purposes. So magical botany is using plant in spells, charms, and talismans, which is the mineral magic utilizing the mineral and gemstone for the protections, healings, and spiritual growth. Alchemist preparation is creating elixirs and tinctures and extract for the spirituals and medicinal purposes. Astrological collections is the associating plants and minerals with the crystals, bodies, and their influences. Astrologic symbols is attributing the mystical properties and meanings to the plants and minerals. Plants and minerals magic combines chemistries, spirituality, and the natural wisdoms, offering a unique approach to harnessing nature's power. So now I'm talking about the exilers and the potions. So exilers and potions are the liquid combinations using in the alchemy, magics, and spiritual practices to achieve specific goals. So they typically combine herbs, minerals, and other ingredients with the chemical properties and symbolic meanings which exilers and potions can be. So it also enhances the spiritual growth and alignment, grant protection and healings, foster love, prosperities, and good fortune, induce divinations and intuitions, facilitates transformation and transmutations. So types of exiles and potions are include so it includes an alchemicals, exilers, which is philosopher's stones and exilers of life. Herbal potions is the love potion and healing tonics. Mineral exilers is the gemstone essence metallic solutions. Astrological exilers is the solar and lunar planetary essence. And magical potion is the spell enhancing curse breaking. So the preparation of the exiler potions often involves alchemical processes with the distillations and calcinations, herbalisms and botanicals knowledge, minerals and gemstones extractions, astrological timings and alignments, ritualistics and magical practices. Exilers and potion represent a fascinating intersection of chemistry, spirituality, magic, offering a unique approach to achieving a spiritual and material goal. So what do you mean by ritualistic use of chemical? So ritualistic use of chemical involves the international use of chemical and substances in spiritual, magic, and religious practices. So this can include the purification and the cleanings using chemicals like sulfur or salt to purify and protect the body, mind, and spirit. So concentrations and the blessings using chemicals like holy water or essential oils to concentrate and bless people with the places and objectives. Divinations and divinations and scaring is the using the chemical like mercury or silver to fascinate divinations and scaring practices. Protection and defense, which is using chemical like garlic or iron to ward off negative energies or entities. Healings and transformations using chemical like herbal remedies or chemicals exilers to promote healing and spiritual transformations. Spell casting and magic, which is using the chemical like powders or potions to enhance spell castings and magical practices. Ritualistic sacrifices, which is using chemicals like incense or offering the symbolize sacrifice and devotions. And entoning and initiations was using the chemicals like oils or perfume to antonist and they initiate individuals into the spirituals or magical traditions. The realistics and the ritualistics use of chemicals often involves symbolics and the metaphorical meanings and may be rooted in alchemical um, astrological or mystical beliefs. So it is important to approach these practices with the respect, cautions, and knowledge to avoid harm and misinterpretations. So, what do you mean by spirituals transmutations? So, spiritual transformations refer to the process of transforming one spiritual state, consciousness, or souls, often through alchemist, mystical, or magical practices. The goal is to attain spiritual growth, enlightenment, or self transformations rather than physical transformation of materials. So, this concept is rooted in the alchemic and hermetics principles, where the great work aims to transform the alchemist's souls rather than the merely creating golds or philosopher's stones and spiritual transformations involves. So, inner transformation, changing one character, habits, or perspective, spiritual purifications, cleansing the soul or spirit of impurities and negative energies. Emulations, which is gaining the higher knowledge inside of enlightenment. Soul evolution is the advancing the soul's development or the spiritual evolutions. Union with the divine, merging with a major and higher power, the universe or the absolute. So practice the spiritual transformations includes the meditations and contemplations, prayer and devotions, alchemist rituals and ceremonies, astrological and planetary work, inner alchemy, which is transforming emotions, thoughts, and energies, spiritual disciplines, which is estimatic self-inquiry, mystical experiences, which is vision and revelations. So spiritual transformations aims to evaluate the individual's spiritual state, achieving a higher level of the consciousness and wisdoms and unity with the divine. So, what do you mean by astrological influences? Astrological influences refer to the believed connections between the celestial bodies and their effects on the human affairs, behavior, and destiny. So, in the context of this spiritual transformation, astrological influences are used to align with cosmic forces, timing spiritual practices, and rituals according to the planetary and alignment and transmits. So, balance energies using the astrological knowledge to balance and harmonize energies within oneself and the environment, and also enhance spiritual growth. Leveraging astrological influences to the facilitate spiritual evolutions and self transformations. Understand soul purposes using astrology to understand one's soul purposes, life path, and the spiritual destiny. So facilitates planetary authenticament at connecting with the energies with of specific planets and celestial bodies to assess their wisdoms and powers. So some astrological influences used in the spiritual transformations, which includes planetary hours and days, lunar cycles and phases, solar and lunar eclipse, planetary transits and aspects, astrological signs and degrees, celestial events and cosmic meteors, galactic alignments and cosmic phenomena. So, by considering astrological influences, individuals seeking spiritual translations aims to harmonize with the crystal's force aligned with their soul's purposes and facilitate their spiritual evolutions. So, what do you mean by astrologic symbolisms? See, historic symbolisms refer to the use of image and quotes to convey hidden and mystical and spiritual meanings. So these symbols often have multiple layer of interpretations and are used to convey historic knowledge, with having the spiritual truth, philosophical concept, and historical symbols is used in various traditions, including alchemy, which is symbols for elements, processes and transformations, hermetisms, which is symbols for principles, forces, and a state of beings. Astrology is a symbol for planetary and planet signs and aspects. Metisms by the symbols for spiritual states, experience, and the realms. Secret societies with having the symbolics for initiations, rituals, and memberships. Historic religions is the symbolics for deities, concept, and practices. Scared geometry having the symbolics for shapes and patterns and proportions. So historic symbols can be visuals, image diagrams, and mandalas. Linguistic words and cipher mantras. Numerical is number for sequence and ratios. Geometric is shape, patterns, and proportions. Historic symbols serve several purposes, concealing knowledge from the uninitiated, conveying complex ideas, simply evoking spiritual insight and experiences, facilitating meditations and contemplations, creating a sense of mystery and awe. So, the by deciphering the historic symbols, one can gain again access to hidden knowledge, spiritual truth, and philosophical insights that lie beyond the surface level of reality. So, at last, I just want to conclude that in conclusions, the Sulba Sutras, ancient Indian texts, demonstrate a profound understanding of geometric and the mathematical concept, which including the Pythagoras theorem, algebra, trigonometry, and these texts show the sophisticated approach to mathematics with application in architecture, engineering, and astronomy. The Sulba Sutras contains and the contribution to the mathematics, particularly in the field of geometry and algebra, have had a lasting impact on the development of mathematics, which influencing mathematics and scientists for centuries. So their significance extended beyond mathematicians to the field of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, inspiring new discoveries and innovations. The Sula Sutras are the treatments and the to ingenuity and the mathematical cleverness of ancient Indian scholars, leaving a lasting legacy in the world of mathematics and beyond. Thank you.